Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be testing out something that's not really that new, but it's something I haven't tried and I really wanted to. And it is the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop collab. So if you want to see how these products works, then just keep watching. So like I said, we're going to test out Kathleen Lights Dream Street collab with Colourpop. It comes with an eyeshadow palette as well as 3 lippies. Let's see. So the palette retails for $16. And this is what it looks like. It's just in their typical packaging. Ooh, those are pretty. Dang, I just cut a chunk out of that. It looks like the lip bundle actually retails for $19, but it's currently on sale for $16 on Colourpop's website. And it looks like it comes with an ultra glossy lip and then 2 ultra satin lips. So these are the shades that we have. So let's go ahead and start using these products. So this is what the palette, like I said earlier, looks like. It comes with 12 shades. Looks like there's 6 mattes, 5 kind of 6 shimmers. I don't know if you'd count this one fully as a shimmer, but alright, I don't know what I'm going to do. So we're just going to start with the basics, which I'm just going to start with the lightest shade in this palette, which is right here. It is in the shade, I'm gonna go with Magical. I think Colourpop does their names backwards. So I've actually never used Colourpop shadows, so I don't know what to expect. I feel like if Kathleen's collabed with them, most likely they're good because she is one of them that I actually do trust her opinion. There is a lot of kickback on the palette, but so far I don't see anything falling down onto my face. Okay, so then I'm going to go in with the next shade, which I think is Shooting Star, and I'm just going to use that to kind of cool this down. It's a little warm tone. It isn't bad, but we're gonna cool it down a little. And I'm just gonna very lightly put this in the crease. I don't want too much of this as a pigment because I want to focus on that first shade, but just something to deepen it up a little bit. So then I'm gonna go in with the shade, I think it's Potion. I'm hoping I'm getting all these right. Watch them be all wrong. And I'm gonna use my nude brush that I bought yesterday. This is the Morphe M505. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh yes, I am using this palette. If you want to see a tutorial using this, I'll link it up here. This is super pretty. Alright, here is where everything could go horribly wrong, but I kind of want to use the blue shade, like the dark blue. We may or may not mess this look up right here, but we're going to do it anyway. So I'm going to use the shade Water Bearer, which is this deep blue. I'm going to use a small brush. Alright, I'm so scared to do this. Let's just like... Ooh! Ooh! Okay. So I'm just gonna lightly put it in the place and then take a fluffier brush. Let's use a clean brush and buff it out. I'm going to go back in with my first fluffy brush and I'm actually going to grab the very first shade we used and then just a little bit of that shade again, but not much. I want it to be mostly the first shade. I want the orange part, but I really want more of that like almost yellowy shade, I guess. And then we're just going to blend these even further because I feel like we're kind of losing that color a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, I was debating on even buying this palette because I didn't think I would like these colors that much, but I really like them. Now that I've blended this for like ever, I'm gonna go in with the crease shade, which I'm going to use, I think it's Sweet Dreams. It's either Sweet Dreams or Spark. I'm gonna use this all over the lid. I'm gonna first use it dry, but I have a feeling I'm gonna want it wet, but we'll still use it dry first. Yeah, I definitely want it wet, but might as well lay this down. Definitely gonna wet it because I want it more intense than it is. It's thundering. I love storms. Okay. So my card stopped on me, so I don't know how much of this you've seen, so I'm just gonna continue though. And then go back in with those two transition shades to blend. And then back in with that blue shade, very, very lightly. And slightly blend these together. Bam, wham, bam, thank you, man. I have a little bit of fallout, not very much, but that blue shade did fall out a little bit on the corner. So then for my lower lash line, I'm going to take that blue shade right along my waterline. And then I'm going to do what I pretty much do in every video and keep it on the outer edge. And I basically bring it into the middle, and then whatever is left, I'm going to slowly drag in. Okay, ignore my AC if you can hear it. I'm dying. I need it. Then I think, can I use this? Yeah, I'm going to use a very point, and I'm going to mix those two transition shades. So this one and this one. Don't want to try to butcher the names in case they're the wrong ones. So I'm noticing the only one that really has a lot of fallout in the palette is actually this first transition shade I used. The rest of them have it, but not very much. And then we're just gonna buff this all together. My eyes water like a mofo. I'm going to take a little bit more of that blue because I want to drag it a little lower and blow this out a little bit more. It's crazy. On my bottom lash line, it actually looks like blue. Up here, it doesn't really look like blue. I'm gonna go in with the brown shade in this palette on a buffer brush just to buff the blue in with the rest. All right, we're gonna try to use, I think it's Moony, and we're gonna try to use that to do my brow bone and inner corner. This might not work for a shade. All right, for the brow bone, it's not too bad, but let me fix what I just messed up. I feel like for my inner corner, it's not going to work because it's too pink, while the rest of my eyes are kind of gold. So I'm gonna grab my MAC nylon instead in the inner corner. Yeah. Wow, I like this look. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes off camera, and then we'll be right back. Okay, I went ahead and put my mascara on. I just used the Benefits Bad Gal Bang, and then I also put some eyeliner in my waterline, the Rimmel London in the nude, because I felt like the outer edge especially was just a little too dark and I wanted to keep my eyes kind of open. So let's go into the liquid lipsticks. I will swatch them. I'm only going to put one on because I am breaking out from something and I don't know if it's a new product that I've been testing. It could be the product, but actually right now I'm also very stressed. I don't know if it's stress, but my lips are cracking on the edge really bad. And I mean like breaking and like, so I'm only going to use one because I don't want to mess and irritate with it more. So I'm going to swatch these two. So this one is Riviere. I don't know how to say it. Ooh, that's pretty. I would probably never wear this color. Ooh, this would probably actually go kind of good. So Moonchild, the one that I'm going to wear, is actually the glossy lip. And then these two are the Ultra Satin, but there are those two. So this is Dreamy and Riviere, or however you say that. So then I'm going to put on Moonchild. Ooh, there's glitter in it. This is the color. So there are the 3 lip shades. Actually, I need to swatch this one for you. So there are the 3 shades. My thoughts are the liquid lipsticks I probably wouldn't bother because out of these only, well, no, I would, because 2 of them I'll wear. One of them I'd have to be really daring to wear, but I kind of like having it in my kit, and for $16 or even $19, I don't think that's a bad price. The palette, I'm actually shocked I like it. So I didn't know whether I was going to buy this or not because these just didn't seem like shades that I would reach towards very often. But I really like this look. So I think especially for $16, it's a really good palette and good quality. That is all I have for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.